What up YouTube? So, it's a cloudy day today, really cold. It snowed last night but it's all melted. Went to go drive my car and I noticed brake lights out. Look at that. Anyway, nipped down to Halfords in the UK. Got some new brake bulbs. These ones here. Alright, so I'll show you a quick step-by-step guide on how to replace your brake bulb. Obviously I've got a big sob in the way, so I have to push that out of the way. Now, you won't be able to see exactly everything because I have a limited space to show you, but I'll try my best. So first of all, don't know if you can see, but yep, that white little screw, there's two of them, one there and one there. Need to unscrew both of those. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so I've now unscrewed them too. What you need to do now is push on the two bolts that the screws are on, there and there, and your tail light should pop out, sorry. So bear with me, I'm using one hand. Okay. Next, what you want to do is unplug this. I'll do that now. Okay, so that is off. Light's completely off the car. Okay, what you need to do now is there's a few clips there, there, and there. So 3 in total. Just unclip them and pop this component off. Alright, so now that you've unclipped the clips, just lift this off, and there they are. Okay, so the one I'm replacing is this one here. It's clearly blown, as you can tell, compared to the rest of them. Alright, so what you want to do, put this down over here, just push it in and turn. Alright, and get your new bulb. Same thing again, push it in, turn. Okay, make sure it's secure in there. Put it back in there, clip the clips back in, then put the screws. Make sure you put your connector back on as well, because obviously your lights won't work. And yeah, we'll give it a test. Yep, bulb's working great. Doing its job. Alright, so I'll put everything back together. See how it looks. Lights working great. All good. Same as the other one. Alright, so this is my short little ghetto tutorial of how to change a brake bulb on the Corsa D 2012 model. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.